What it do, true babies? How y'all doing? I am finally about to try this makeup. I supposed to been did it. But anyway, better late than never. Anyway, y'all, so let me go ahead and jump straight into it. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe down below to become a true baby, because in this game, we don't do no lies. Anyway, so like I said, let's just jump straight into it. So I got the box right here. Y'all already seen the unboxing. If you haven't, go ahead and I'm gonna have the link in the description. And I wish I knew how to put it on here, but I don't. If I find out and figure out how to do it, I do it. But it'll be somewhere either on the screen or it's gonna be in the description box if you have not seen the unboxing video. So, like I said, I'm about to try out the Crayon Case. I'm finna try out the products, of course, that I purchased, which is, what did I purchase? That's a good question. Maybe I need to go look at the video. Okay, I purchased, eyeshadow, highlighter, and contour. So, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Ain't no time to waste. So, disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist. I'm nowhere near close to a professional makeup artist. I just do my own makeup because I ain't got time to be spending no money. And even if I did, I'm like my daddy, I'm tight. But anyway, I'm just gonna moisturize my face. I'm gonna just talk to y'all, I guess. And ignore me if I'm looking at the right here. I don't even have a mirror right now. I don't even know where it's at. And I don't want to be in a big mirror because the background is just horrible. So we just gonna have to deal with this. So yeah, I've been trying to try out this primer. I honestly don't feel like it's gonna work, but we just use it. Because normally I just use a concealer on my eye, but we're gonna try this out because I never used it before. So we're gonna prime. I don't need to prime my eyelashes, golly. Anyway, I'm gonna prime my eyes, my eyelids. Oh my gosh, y'all. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I never used this stuff before. Yeah, we're just gonna, whatever. We're just gonna, do I supposed to rub it with the brush or use my fingers? We're just gonna rub. I don't know if I'm supposed to pat, rub, whatever. We're just gonna do all of it. Okay, let's figure this out. Okay. I know y'all gonna be like, oh, you using the wrong brush. Baby, this ain't no how to. This is just y'all watching me do what I do. If it's putting your panties in the twist, then you gonna have to go somewhere else. Okay, so we're gonna go in with first. Right now, like I said, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna play in this. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with this color. I can't even tell if it's on the goddamn brush. I think so. Oh yeah, it's on there. Oh, that's pretty. Anyway, okay. Let's go. This is a dark color, but it's coming out pretty light. I don't know why. Whatever. I still like it, though. But anyway, I said I'm going to talk to y'all about where I've been. Y'all, I've been trying to get out the grid. You know what I'm saying? I've really been trying to kind of stay to myself, really. If it ain't family or friends, you know. I really just been to myself. I really don't like to be bothered a lot. Like, it's just, that's just how it's been. Like, it ain't been no harm against nobody. It's just a simple fact that, you know, people, everybody go through things in life. And for me to kind of like try to keep my sanity, I really have to stay to myself a lot of times. Because I go crazy mentally, and and to avoid going like doing anything physically to anybody, I have to. And I don't want to say it like that, because I ain't no fighter. I ain't that type of person. But you know, everybody got like a point in life where they just like, man, just leave me alone. You know what I'm saying? And everybody don't understand that, because some people still just be wanna kind of throw themselves in your life and in your situations. And I just don't like that. So I just try to stay off the grid as much as possible. And with me doing that, it's like I get into a situation or a point where I'm like, I really don't want to do nothing either. It ain't even just the fact of going out the grid. It's just like, I think pure laziness starts to kick in as well, because it just does. And it annoys me, because I really be trying to get some stuff done. But it's like my mind can't focus on I ain't gonna say I can't focus on too much. It's just, I don't even know how to explain it. But like I said, I'm trying to get things together. Like I told you, I'm horrible at this. I'm not no makeup tutorial person. Anyway, this one right here. It's kind of cute. Heroes don't have to win. I don't know what this feeling is, but this is something special. I don't know where we headed now. Yes, money coming to what it is, ma. Know you the baddest when we out. Got some good blow. So I'm using this lighter pink right here. Just trying to see how it's gonna look, honestly. Just gonna dab it on there though. You gon' let your hair down when that wind blow. Love it when your skin glow. Move your body, my other brush, my favorite brush. Okay, now normally this is what I would do, so I'm just gonna see how it's gonna look. I'm not sure. Probably gonna use one of these browns. Let's see. I'm trying to see. Put it right here. I'm gonna use this brown right here, because it's a little closer to my skin tone. Okay. Right now, let's take this overseas where they won't find out. By the water, cool breeze on a boat, y'all. Baby girl, can you sail out without me? Baby, get up and get it. Travel city to city. Do it without a limit. So y'all, let's go ahead. Use what's called. Okay, so now I just talk about what I got planned. So y'all, like I said, I plan on definitely doing more videos. And, you know, bringing more content, because like I said, this is something I actually like doing. Like right now, it is almost 11 o'clock at night, and I'm up doing makeup videos, knowing dang well I ain't going nowhere. But I just want to do it because I know I haven't been being consistent like I want to be. You know what I'm saying? But I'm definitely trying to do better. But I got my my own business I'm trying to get off the ground. Yeah. I got so much I'm trying to do, and I think that's what's really hindering me, because my mind is focused on 1,000,100 things. Like, it ain't no way I can just focus on one thing when I got so much on my mind and I'm trying to accomplish so much in so little time. But then I don't know, like I tell everybody else around me, like, don't be really giving yourself a timeline, because God's timing is going to be always correct. So I need to definitely follow my own advice and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Everything gonna work out for the better, regardless on what may be going on right now. So, like I said, I'm definitely trying to get everything together and get my mind right so I can be in a good headspace when God's blessing comes. But I'm gonna what else am I gonna do? I mean, what I'm doing is really, like I said, I'm doing my makeup. I mean, not my makeup. I'm doing I don't want to mess up my okay,
Bit with it, a gymnast knowing how to stack it and spin it, adding more every time. Pockets made out of glass, I'ma break them every time. Cold hearted, the stove heated, watch how I cook them. First place status, back there where we put them. Shouted we on top, I don't think that we can calm down. But this feeling something to think about. Oh, I don't know what this feeling is, but this is something special. I don't know.
Okay, now it's time to try the contour. Man, I ain't never used this stuff, so I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. We just gonna use this one in the middle to start off with. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're just gonna try it out. So let's go.
We headed now. Heroes don't have to win. I don't know what this feeling is, but this is something special. I don't know where we headed now. This money coming to me.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little glitter. Not a little glitter, but a little shiny stuff right here.
Oh, it ain't no days off, it's some wishing they could do it. Mental disorder or limbs where they can't use them. People causing destruction, I causing confusion. But I be like, fuck it, let's get back to this music. When it drop, don't be moving. Wheels wet, they be drooling. Think a nigga ain't packing, and I ain't talking about clothes. Had to remove some hoes, picked up another load, dropped it off at the stove, went back and got more. That's the money.
All right, so y'all, ooh, okay, I like it. But anyway, y'all, so y'all, thank y'all for watching. Like I said, this is, oh my gosh, like I like how it turned out. I actually like the color. So it was fun. It was fun. I'm gonna go ahead and get my final thoughts on this. On the products. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with the eyeshadow. Actually, I really do like the eyeshadow. It's more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. So that's one of the things I do like. I mean, I'm not sure if it can be even more pigmented. I'm not sure, but of course I have to try other products or try a different technique. But I do like the way it came out. So eyeshadow, it's a plus. What's next? The bronzer. I mean, not the bronzer, the contour. I like it. It's a difference. If I had to rate it, I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm not even a professional, so I'm not even sure how it's supposed to go when it comes to the cause this one was not a cream base. This was the other base, powder base, I guess. And that's my first time really using a powder. Well, not my first time, but that's the first time I used that kind anyway. Normally I use like the thick one, like the cream one. I like that one better, I ain't gonna lie. But I actually kind of like how it did. So I still like it. It's still a yes. But it's different. I ain't gonna say it's my favorite. I put it like that. Last, the highlighter. Yeah. Y'all rate it yourself. It's a yes. I like it. I do have another highlighter that I use. So I say it's like a 50-50. I like it compared to my other one. So that one is a yes. I would actually purchase it again because I like it. But I don't know. I could have put more on there, but at the same time, I don't like too much highlighter either. So I think this is just fine. So those are my thoughts. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said before, if you are new to this channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below to become a true baby, because in this game, we don't do no lies. And be sure to also hit that notification bell to receive, notifications that I'm posting. I'm going to do better. I promise. I promise I'm going to do better. So y'all go ahead and do that. Do that for me. But anyway, I'm finna show y'all, I'm finna get all glammed up, I guess, like do something to my hair and put on a cute top or whatever. And I'll take some pictures and show y'all the final look.